god, Mom! What? Come here! What? Oh my god, it stinks! Yeah, Patricia did a shot. What's a shot? She farted mixed with her pooing. No, go away. No, you can't tell me what to do. Oh my god, just go away, please. Fine then. Stop, Patricia! Stop! You're annoying me! Go away! Stop! That's what you get. Now let me watch you play. No, go away, you're annoying me! Stop! Mom! It annoys me! I don't like her watching me play. She always smothers all over me. No, I don't. Yes, you do. You drew. No, you didn't. And it's spit on the iPad. No, I don't. Yes, you do. No, I don't. Shut up. No. Yes. No, you don't do it. It's Patricia, and I'm gonna get payback on Felicia because you guys should know, like the last video where Felicia pushed me while I was on my wheelchair into the pool. So now I'm gonna get payback on her, and I've got an egg here. So this is my egg. We can't hear it, but this is my egg, and Felicia's sitting on the couch in the next room. So I'm just gonna walk in. Okay, so guys, I'm in Patricia's room. I'm about to walk in, and I'm about to put the egg on her head. You ready, guys? Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, 3, 2, 1. I smushed it all through her hair. Guys, that was so fun. I smushed it all through her hair.
Nice to meet you. My name's Nahida. I've actually been watching you for a long time already. If you're not sure what to do next, how about I take you on a walk?
Hey guys, it's Felicia today. Patricia? What? The hell? What? I put a face mask on, do you like it? Patricia, you put your face mask on your eyebrows. They're gonna get ripped off. Are you that dumb? What? Nah, they don't get ripped off. They will? Oh my god, you're so freaking dumb. You could have gone to me first and said, how do I put this on or something? I don't know. And why would I do that? Because you're dumb. Your eyebrows are gonna get ripped off, and you're gonna be crying, and Mum won't pay to get your eyebrows done or anything, because yeah, and we won't be getting tattoo eyebrows, and we're not gonna do makeup on you. You can wear that yourself, and you know I wear makeup to school, you know. But you know I wear makeup to school, and they're not gonna rip off my eyebrows. I'm in high school, you're in primary school, and your eyebrows are gonna get ripped off. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. Go back to sleep. Please, can I go over my presents? I don't think there are presents because you aren't sleeping. If you maybe go to sleep, then there will be presents. No presents on Christmas. I have to go to bed now. Good night. Felicia, wake up. What is it, Patricia? You just said you'd go to sleep. I didn't hear it, Santa Claus. You wanna go say hi? You can go say hi. Wait until Christmas morning, because if you see Santa Claus, then he might not come ever again. Right, okay, good night. Patricia! Oh my... Get out of my bedroom! Oh my god, you're so disgusting! Patricia did a shot. What's a shot? She farted mixed with her pooing. Patricia? Patricia? What's wrong? Patricia! She's fully screaming and I don't like it one side.